2017 Mercedes G-Class. Not many SUVs can claim a hand-built luxury interior inside a battle-tested, hand-built body. In fact, only one can. Extraordinary capability and ongoing enhancement have made the G-Class one of the world's top off-roaders for the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, running boards, Bluetooth, cruise control, compass, clock, MP3 player, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, steering wheel controls, tinted glass, front license plate bracket, engine immobilizer, rear fog light, black door handles, power tilting steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.